A handful of patience is worth more than a bushel of brains. A small leak will sink a great ship. An ounce of practice is worth a pound of preaching. Bachelors' wives and old maids' children are always perfectly brought up. Better an egg today than a hen tomorrow. Better to bend than to break. Birds of a feather flock together. Don't buy a pig in a poke. Every path has its puddle. Fortune favors the bold. From saving comes having. Good wares make quick markets. Half a loaf is better than no bread. He who would climb the ladder must begin at the bottom. Hunger is the best sauce. If ifs and ands were pots and pans, there'd be no work for tinkers' hands. If you don't sow in spring, you can't reap in autumn. In for a penny, in for a pound. It is easy to swim if another holds up your chin. Laugh and the world laughs with you, weep and you weep alone. Lightning never strikes twice in the same place. Little strokes fell great oaks. Many hands make light work. Misfortunes never come singly. Never do things by halves. No man can serve two masters. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Once bitten, twice shy. One today is worth two tomorrows. Patience is a virtue. Practice makes perfect. Speak of the devil and he shall appear. Still waters run deep. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. The best things come in small packages. The early bird catches the worm. The end justifies the means. The more you stir it, the more it stinks. There are none so blind as those who will not see. Those who play with fire get burnt. Time and tide wait for no man. To never make a mistake is to never make anything. Tomorrow is often the busiest day of the week. Too many cooks spoil the broth. What soberness conceals, drunkenness reveals. When poverty comes in at the door, love flies out of the window. While there's life, there's hope. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. You cannot make an omelet without breaking eggs. You must cut your coat according to your cloth. You must creep before you can walk. You reap what you sow. Zeal without knowledge is fire without light. A change is as good as a rest. After dinner sit a while, after supper walk a mile. All is not gold that glitters. Beggars can't be choosers. Better late than never. Honesty is the best policy. If you lie down with dogs, you get up with fleas.